Welcome to Suman TV. This is Anjan Kumar. I am the Managing Director of SOC Softech. Today I need to explain about Python operators. So, before going to learn Python operators, we have to know what is mean by operators. So, operators, which are the symbols. By using operators, we can do the data processing. For example, A is my variable which will be stores the one value, for example 10, and B is my one variable and which stores some value, that is a 20. So these are the data. A is one data, here B is one data. Now we can do the data processing something like A plus B. Here addition is the data processing. The operation we can do on data, that is done by the operators. Clear? So, operators, which are the symbols, By using these symbols, we can do the data processing. We can do data processing. Okay, so we have different kind of operators are there. We will see what are the symbol we have in the Python programming language or else any programming language. Plus is the one symbol. We can do the addition of the two operands, or else minus we can do the subtraction of the data, or else we can do the multiplication. This is a multiplication symbol. Or else this is a division symbol. This is the modulus symbol. We can do the modulus also. And less than symbol, greater than symbol and less than symbol, and less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, and equal to, not equal to. So we have different kind of symbols are there. By using these symbols, we can do the data processing. Next, second one is operands. Whatever the data which is processing by the operators, the data we are calling it's a operands. For example, A equal to 10 and here B equal to 20. So we can do like C equal to A plus B. Just imagine this is the addition of these two numbers, right? This is the operation. This is operation done by the plus operator. So here we have the two data are there, A and B. These are the two data. So this data we can call it's a operands. So whatever the operators which is operating on the data, or else variables, or else constant, that constants and variables are their expression, we can call it say operands. The next point is, based upon the number of operands which will be participated on the data processing, the operators are two types. Number of operands which is participating on the data processing, based on those information, the operators are two types. The first one is unary operators. The second one is binary operators. Clear? So that means what? Here we have the different kind of operators are there, which are operators which is operating on the operands based on number of operands which is operating based on number of operands which is participating on the data processing. So the operators are two types. The first one is unary operators, the second one is binary operators. Unary operator means the operator which is operating on only single operand. For example, we have the NOT operator is there, that is a NOT operator. So this is the one operator which is operating only single operand. For example, 5 is the one operand which is NOT operator which is operating on the single operand. So such kind of operator we are calling it say unary operators. The second one is binary operators. So here binary operators, the operators which are operating on minimum 2 operands, those operators we are calling it say binary operators. For example, which is operating on the operators which is operating on two operands, 2 means binary. Those kind of operators we are calling it say binary operators. For example, 10 plus 20, here 10 is the one operand and here 20 is the one operand. This is the plus operator which is operating on these two operands. Those kind of operators we are calling it say binary operators. And a less than 20, this is also binary operator. So these are the example for the binary operators. So these are the operator which is classified by the number of operands participated on the data processing. So according to data processing, the operators are according to data processing, the operators are, we have different kind of operators are there. I will list out the one by one. The first one is arithmetic operator. So here the operator which is the operators which will be do all the arithmetic calculation, those kind of operator we are calling it say arithmetic operators. The second one is relational operators. Here we have different kind of operands are there. So by using relational operators we can give the relation between the operands. The third one is logical operators. So here logical operators, we have different kind of logical operators are there, AND operator, OR operator, NOR operator. Here if the logic is satisfied, then which will be give the some result, either output or either true or false. The fourth one is bitwise operators. So here the operators which is operating on the individual bits of the numbers. So first of all that number we have to convert in the binary, then we can do the some data processing, that we will discuss in the later videos. The fifth one is some special operators. Okay, thank you for watching my video. So we will continue on the arithmetic operators in the next video.